Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Tuesday morning, September 28, 2010 daily stock report. Here's the Dow 30, still on an uptrend, down about 0.5% today, which was occurred in the last 45 minutes. We're still in a nice steady uptrend. There's that wider view, and the next resistance area we might have talked about goes back here in April 24th, right here on the upper left-hand corner. And if you project this out, that would be the most logical place where you could have the next major resistance. The last one, of course, is what we talked about here around early August. So right now we're on an uptrend that's continuing, even though we've had a slight correction today. Here's the NASDAQ Composite, also down 0.5%. Here's the wider view, and that 2510 level, which was in April 24th, would be the area to watch. We've got quite a ways to go because we're at 2369 at today's close. And the S&P 500 down 0.6%. Russell 2000 down 0.4%. Looking to see this Russell 2000 to outperform the other indexes. We have potentially a little bit of a double top on this here. We're not getting near the movement on the Russell 2000 that the other indexes have. We're bumping up against that resistance level that we saw in late July, which is that top right there in that blue circle. Let's take a look at THRX, biotech stock, looking for a short. Still real strong, not much of a correction, down 0.6%. Need to see this down under 18 to get interesting, so keep an eye on that bull short there. We're also watching CRIC, China Real Estate Group, up 4.6% today. Still hasn't turned over. No sign of that yet, except that we are getting faster and faster increases on the price, and we're having the volume to pick up. It's over 1.1 million today, and that continues to accelerate above that 1.5 number, 1.58 right in here on the lower right-hand corner. And if that continues to grow and this gets exponential, this will be very interesting potential short. Only come from $8 to $12, 50% move in a couple weeks. Not ready yet, but start watching closer. REDF down 6% today. Not a whole lot of potential profit. Looking for this to really go to just under $5, maybe $4.75 around this price level right in here. And this area here is what we can consider a couple words. I've heard congestion or support, potentially where the stock will drop down to this area in here and try to bounce off that. So not much more money left on this one. This was a tough trade. Don't worry about it if you miss it. No big deal. Still looking for a potential short off of PRGS. This needs to stop moving up, and so we're monitoring that one. Not ready yet, even though it goes on the report. This is kind of an early warning that I post those, and I put notes on those to watch for those. Here's BIN, not acting really well. Consider setting your stop loss in there around 22 and maybe even a little higher, 22.1. This is still consolidating. We need to see this thing to start moving back up slowly and then start seeing it curl up. PXP, still looking for this to move up. It should. It's got a nice looking chart pattern so far. It's been really strong, this stock overall. Want to go over some stocks that we had on the report and sold out of it too early. Just for your information, it's kind of a follow through to learn to see how stocks have been acting. CROX, Crocs, continue to move up for 2 more days. Hit a high of $12.92 today, so we left some money on the table. We're just trying to follow through to see how it filled that big drop in this area right in here. And so far, the pattern has been that stocks have been rebounding up off of a bottom, and they get stuck down in here, congestion or consolidation, whatever you call it. Stocks have been rebounding up pretty nicely off those. CHSI been bouncing the last couple days. Been a tough stock to handle, but we're just continuing to watch that one. ARCC also up 2 more days. We stopped out of that last week when it went under 15, and now we're back up in there and starting to resume that uptrend. Just watching that one. The shorts are not working, most stocks. Let's take a look at a few more stocks. AZO, still on an uptrend, real strong stock. You guys been hearing me say that most days now. VMW, real nice uptrend. CMG up 1.5%, real strong the last couple of days. HMIN up 4% today. Real nice move. Looking for a higher high on this one. PXP stalled a little bit. Looking for this to move up. If this drops below 25, stop loss set under that 25. So you guys take care. You know the routine. Put the odds in your favor. Don't get leveraged, especially in what? Those bull shorts. We'll talk to you tomorrow.